focused event in the Bayview. We're bringing services for children, families, and singles. We've been coming and having a Bayview event since 2008. Last year was our first family-focused event. We're happy to be back again this year.
It's a very nice event, knowing what Project Home Connect's about and how they're setting up services for the homeless.
Project 20 came this morning to help us set up this event.
We're working very hard. We've been pulling out over 70 chairs, pull out tables, setting up tents.
Set up the break room, set up the volunteer room.
It's a big setup endeavor, and a lot of volunteers came from Project 20 to help us get it up in a short amount of time.
It's a way to give back to the community as well as, take care of some obligations that I have.
I love it. Just helping the community out. That's the most important part.
It's a great support. We're glad to have community support from such a great program like Project 20, and we hope you come back and help us set up the rest of our events.
Whenever you guys got projects like this, make sure you call me so I can come out and volunteer.